Understanding HVAC Delta T and why outdoor temperature totally changes the game for heat pumps in heating mode is key to keeping your home comfy all year. So, Delta T is basically the difference between the air temperature going into your heat pump and the air coming out. When it's colder outside, your heat pump isn't able to pull as much heat from the air because there's just less heat energy available. That means the indoor Delta T drops, even though your system is working hard. To get a real sense of how well your heat pump is performing, you gotta look at seasonal changes. What's normal in summer won't be the same in winter. One easy tip is to check your system's Delta T regularly across different outdoor temps so you know when something's off. Also, make sure your filters and coils are clean because dirty equipment messes with heat transfer and screws up Delta T readings. If you notice a big drop in Delta T when it's cold, it might be time to call a pro to check refrigerant levels or inspect for airflow problems. Keeping an eye on this helps save energy and avoids unexpected breakdowns. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC Delta T is ignoring how outdoor temperature affects it, which can lead to misdiagnosing problems or thinking the system is failing when it's just doing its job in cold weather. To fix this, track Delta T along with outdoor temps so you know what's normal for your system's heating mode. Another issue is skipping routine maintenance, like cleaning filters and coils, which lowers efficiency and messes with Delta T. Keeping equipment clean fixes this fast. Finally, not checking refrigerant charge is a common problem. Low refrigerant means less heat absorption and wrong Delta T readings, so having a technician check and recharge your system when needed keeps things running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making it way easier to get reliable help for HVAC or any big home upgrades. Contractors also get new work opportunities through the site, helping them grow their business without all the hassle.